Landlord of the victim is an eyewitness to the incident. According to him, he was warned by the gunmen to stay away. I came out with a machete to meet gun-wielding men. They pointed the gun to my head and asked me to go back. They said I should stay in my room because they didn't come for me. I was then given some slaps and they took away my phones. They later came back to ask me where the money is. The criminals, 3 men and a woman, all wielding guns, used a mechanical jack to lift the locked metal door at the main entrance of the building. They destroyed a second door before getting inside the house. The landlord says 2 of the criminals engaged him, whilst the others struggled with the victim. I saw Scorpion force the door they had destroyed to fall back on them. He struggled with 2 of them on the ground. That was when the other 2 took me to my room with the gun pointed at me. I then heard one say, "Shoot him," and he did. I could hear people running, and another shot followed. Scorpion GH is currently receiving treatment at the Komfanochi Teaching Hospital. Meanwhile, his family suspects the criminals were hired to kill him, even though the actor says he holds no grudges with anybody.
Yes, I'm sure it is contract killing. So police came in after 10 minutes, so they are also doing their investigation. That's the Suntres who came in. Then Chamoso, Afasiebo, and the Central Police team came in, the criminal team as well. They all came in, so I'm sure the culprits will be apprehended in no time.
You've had interactions with your brother. Do you think, or has he been able to tell you whether he has issues with anybody?
No, he said he has issue with no one. He even traveled and came in 2 weeks ago, and then this has also happened. So in fact, we really thank God for saving his life, because as I speak now, he's well, he can talk.
Assembly member for Ebraso electoral area, Emmanuel Nyanten, reveals some steps taken to deal with insecurity there.
Even in the absence of the chief and other things, the assemblyman and the committee, the unit committee are also doing our best. As I'm talking now, we've set up a meeting, God willing, Sunday, that we are meeting all the landlords and landladies to also work on our security. We are even thinking of setting up a watchdog committee, of which we have even kicked start of it. We met the landlords and they agreed to it that it is a good thing, so we should continue with that. So we are even meeting on Sunday with all the landlords to also look the way forward that we can help strengthen our security.
Suntres police say they have commenced investigations. From Kumasi for Joy News, Nana Ojima reporting.